Hello ladies, and welcome to the Holdiay Hoopla. This is video number 9, and I hope you guys are enjoying your videos, getting some great gift ideas, or just getting some ideas for yourself. My name is Brianne Hagenhoff, and I am super excited to show you some ideas that I have, and even some family traditions that we've started with my family, with some 31 products and some different ideas. So I'm going to show you guys the catch-all bin. And I'm just going to give you a little disclaimer that this print, is not available. So don't fall in love with it. However, we do still have a great gray option. And so here is the gray and white option that you can still get this product in. So we have started a new family tradition that I had seen somebody else post about doing a movie, pajamas, and putting it in like our 31 cinch sack. But this is a great idea that you could give a family gift to one of your family members, or even to your own family, or you can even downsize it and do something like in a cinch sack with 31. But I'm here to show you the catch-all bin and some ideas that you could give this as a gift. So the catch-all bin, what I put in it was a pair of pajamas for my daughter and a movie. And then also a pair of pajamas and a movie for my son. So our tradition is they get these items on Christmas Eve, and on Christmas Eve we kind of make a movie night. So they get to open these gifts and then have a movie night before they go to bed and wait for Santa to come. So with this item, since it is a little bit bigger, it would be great to fill it with some popcorn. I found these cute little containers at the Dollar Tree, and I put some popcorn and some candy in them, one for each of the kids. And then we have these awesome pillows as well that you can make, so especially if it's for your family or if you're giving it as a family gift. These are super cute. So this one's Santa's list, and it has our names on it. We also have our snowman, which I'm not exactly sure if this is available this year, but we have all kinds of cute ideas that you can do Christmas pillows on. So you just stick all of this in the catch-all bin and give that as a cute little gift. The best part about this is that it's reusable for so many things. I have a lot of customers tell me that they need something in their kitchen area or their bar area to just kind of gather stuff and keep it a little bit more organized. So this one's great for that. You can fill it with stuff when you have company coming. Maybe you have it overflowing and don't want people to see it. You can take this and put it in the back room, and your bar area is going to look awesome. So that's a great idea with it. We also shop at Sam's a lot. So we have a lot of, the baggies of snacks and stuff like that I love to just pour in these, and then it's all kind of in one place and organized. So you can just pour all that in there, not have all the boxes and everything that it comes in, and it looks cute if you have to leave it sit on your counter because you don't have enough cabinet space like me. So the catch-all bin and the pillow are great ideas to make this a cute little gift basket. You can put your own twist to it. We just love that family tradition that we started a few years back of doing the pajamas in a movie. So I'm also here to tell you guys what I'm giving away. So if you guys have any ideas, comment. I would love to see what you guys think I'm giving away. And also don't forget to put your name in the comments. Not necessarily your name, sorry, your consultant's name, because that's how you get entered in the drawing. So you guys kind of probably know the drill by now because this is the last video, but make sure that you guys do that and get entered for those prizes. The drawings will happen on Sunday, tomorrow, and so you have 24 hours to watch this video and any other. Hopefully you've already watched the other videos within their 24 period. But since this is the last one, this will be the last one that you'll comment on, and then the drawing will be Sunday after this. So I am here to tell you I am giving away a catch-all bin in the print of your choice, so you get to choose it. And I'm also adding a zipper pouch. I like to tell my customers when I first started selling 31 that I had no idea what people use these zipper pouches for. Well, in my 7.5 years as a consultant, I have figured out many uses for these. and they're just great to stick in anything. Anytime I travel, I use these. Anytime we're going to the pool, I put all our sunscreen and stuff in there. You also could use these as your little gift bag to put your movie and pajamas in as a little gift to stick in your bin. So you're going to get a zipper pouch in your choice of prints, the catch-all bin in your choice of prints, and that's going to be my giveaway. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys have realized how many awesome products that 31 has to offer, how many gift items we have to offer, and don't forget that this month is double hostess credit, and 31's hostess rewards are already fantastic, and for them to double that in a month where people are buying gifts, I hope that you completely and totally take advantage of that and contact your consultant to book a party, because it's too good to be true. You can literally almost do a lot of your Christmas shopping for free. So don't miss out on that, and don't forget to take advantage of our awesome special this month, so contact your consultant to do that as well. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this holiday hoopla, and thank you very much for joining. Bye!